In this RivonClaw tutorial, we will show how a new seller signs in and chooses a model source. RivonClaw can use its own cloud models, and it also lets sellers connect their own large language model subscription, API key, local model, or custom endpoint. After the desktop app starts, open the login entry. When the login modal appears, enter the email address, enter the password, and enter the verification code. Once everything looks right, click Login. After login succeeds, the modal closes and the app returns to the signed-in state. After signing in, go directly to Billing. Here you can review the account plan, usage status, and the RivonClaw AI subscription entry. If you want to use the cloud large language model provided by RivonClaw, start from the RivonClaw AI card and click Subscribe. After the click, you will see the payment window. Its payment methods area lists credit cards, as well as WeChat Pay and Alipay. After payment is complete, return to Billing. You can now see the updated account plan, such as the max plan, plus the 5-hour quota and the weekly quota. Next, open models. You can think of this page as the control center for where your AI model capability comes from. After buying the RivonClaw Cloud model, the page shows a RivonClaw AI Cloud key automatically, so you do not need to paste an API key by hand. If you already have your own model source, you can connect it from the Add Model area. This area gives you 4 paths: subscription, API key, local model, and custom endpoint. Let's start with the subscription path. Open the provider dropdown and choose OpenAI Codex. After the form switches, you can see the Codex sign-in instructions. Before saving, you can also open the model dropdown and choose the Codex model you want to use. Then click Sign in with ChatGPT. The browser opens the OpenAI authorization page. Choose the account that is already signed in and confirm authorization. After authorization is complete, the browser returns to the local callback page and RivonClaw receives the Codex connection result. Back in the desktop app, you can see that the authorization token is ready. Click Save. After the save succeeds, the Codex key appears in the configured key list and is marked active. After saving, the model is not locked forever. Open the model dropdown on the saved key, switch to another model, and then switch back to the target model. This lets you adjust the Codex model for different tasks. Besides subscriptions, RivonClaw also supports API keys. Switch to the API key path, and when the provider options expand, you can choose the API provider you already use. If you run a model on this machine or inside your private network, switch to the local model path. Here you will see the service address, model selection, and capability settings. For more advanced setups, switch to custom endpoint. Here you can configure the provider name, protocol, endpoint URL, API key, and model tags. This works well for private gateways or for services compatible with the OpenAI protocol. Finally, return to the active model state. This account can now use RivonClaw AI Cloud capability, and it can also connect the seller's own subscription, API key, local model, or custom endpoint whenever needed. That lets sellers choose the best large language model source for cost, speed, and data security.